Good morning, students. So, in the previous class, we discussed about types of triangles and how to construct the triangles. Using which methods we have to construct the triangles. Okay. So, today I am going to teach you how to construct the triangles using geometrical equipments. See the first exercise, students, all of here, exercise 10.2. Construct triangle. This is a symbol of triangle, students. Triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 4.5 centimeter, YZ is equal to 5 centimeter, and ZX is equal to 6 centimeter. So before constructing the triangle, we have drawn rough diagram, students, here. Okay, it is a which triangle? It is a XYZ. Okay, XY is how much? It is a XY, it is a 4.5 centimeter, and YZ how much it is a? It is a 5 centimeter. And what about this is ZX or XZ? It is a 6 centimeter. So now using the equipments, we have to construct the triangle, students, here. So first we have to write this base line, that is a YZ. How much it is a? It is a 5 centimeter. Okay, so all of you draw one line. The measurement of that line, it is a 5 centimeter. Okay, so it is a 5 centimeter. And name this as a YZ. Okay, it is 5 centimeter. So the next is that take a measure compass. In this we have to take XY. How much it is a? XY, it is a 4.5 centimeter. Okay, 4.5 we have to take in the compass. Okay, it is a 4.5, and keep the needle at Y point and draw one big arc like this. Okay, now XZ is how much it is a? It is a 6 centimeter, and in the compass you take the measurement of 6 centimeter, and now keep the needle at Z point and cut that, draw one more arc in such a way that cut that previous arc. Okay, here we go on point and name this point as X. Now join XY and XZ. Okay, XY and this is a XZ. So this is the required just a minute, students. Here you write the measurement 6 centimeter and it is a 4.5 centimeter. So this is the required construction for the given measurements. Let me solve the next one, students. See the fourth one, students, all of you here. Construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Measure angle B. Okay, which triangle this is? We have to draw one rough diagram here. That is ABC. Okay, so here AB is how much? It is a 2.5 centimeter, and BC how much? It is a 6 centimeter, and AC is how much? It is a 6.5 centimeter. So now using the equipments, we have to draw one triangle here. Okay, first we have to draw the baseline. How much it is a? 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter. Okay, so name this as a BC. It is a 6 centimeter, and AB is how much? It is a 2.5 centimeter. Take the measurement of 2.5 centimeter. Take the measurement of 2.5 centimeter. So it is a 2.5 centimeter. Okay, and keep the needle at B. Keep the needle at B point. Draw one arc like this. Okay. Next, AC is how much it is? It is a 6.5 centimeter. Take the measurement of 6.5 in the compass. So it is 6.5 centimeter. Keep the needle at C and cut the draw one more arc in such a way that cut that previous arc. Okay, here we got on point. Name this point as A. Now join AB and AC. Join AB and AC. So it is a 6.5 centimeter and it is a 2.5 centimeter. So this is the required construction for the fourth problem, students. So this exercise contains total 4 problems. I solved 2. Remaining 2 problems, they are the homework for all of you. And one more point is, students, from all the problems from exercise 10.2, we have to construct using the triple S criterion here. Triple S criterion means all the problems here, they contain 3 sides. They contain the measurements of 3 sides. Okay, here also they given us the measurement of 3 sides, and here also they given us the measurement of 3 sides. But sometimes what happens, students, in some examples from your textbook, just a minute, I will show you. See students, all of you, that is the second one, all of you see here. Construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. I already explained regarding the equilateral. Equilateral triangle means in the triangle all the sides are equal. Okay, so you have to take the measurement of 5.5 for all the sides. Understood? And it is okay. Okay, I hope all of you understood this one. Remaining problems you do home. Let me solve the next one. Next, see the problems of exercise 10.3, students, all of you here. See, all these problems based on SAS criterion. It means in these problems they given us 2 sides. See, this is the first side and this is the second side, and they given one angle here, side angle side. Okay, in the problem they given us 2 measurements of 2 sides and 1 angle. So using all these we have to construct the triangles. Okay, so here I drawn one rough diagram here, that is a DEF. Students, one more point you have to keep in mind that which point the angle they given, it's better you make it to your left side. I mean, here the angle formed in which point? D point, na? So that's why we have to take D in this side. So if you're not interested, you may take here also, or you may take here also. Nothing will happen. But it is an easy way according to my opinion. Understood, students? So let me solve this using the geometrical equipments. First, you have to draw one one line containing the measurement of 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Okay, name this as a DF. It is a 3 centimeter. Okay, and now we have to use the protractor. Okay, keep the protractor at D point. Okay, keep the protractor at D point, and here the 90 degree is here. We have to make the point. Okay, draw one or join both these points. Join both these points. Now D is how much, students? It is a 5 centimeter. Now we have to take the measurement of 5 centimeter. Okay, and keep the needle at D point. Cut that line. Okay, here we go down point na. Name this point as a E. Okay, name this point as a E. Okay, now join EF. Okay, it is a 5 centimeter and it is a 90 degree. So this is the required construction for the given measurements. I hope all of you understood this problem. So exercise 10.3 contains total 3 problems, students. Okay, see all of you here. It contains total 3 problems. I solved one. You have remaining 2. You have to solve in home. See the second one, construct an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangles, what happens? 2 sides are equal. It means they given us one side. It means the second side also becomes 6.5 centimeter. Keep in mind, isosceles means 2 sides are equal and one is different. Okay, and they given us one angle. So using all these measurements, you do this problem in home. This one also, it is a very easy. Okay, I hope all of you understood this one. Let me solve the next one, students. See the problems of exercise 10.4 students, all of you here. So all these problems based on ASA criterion, I mean angle, side, angle. So in the problem they given us the measurement of two angles and one side. So one more point is the students, it's better you have to make both the angles at base side. Okay, if you write both these angles in this side or in this side, it becomes little bit confusion for you according to my opinion. So if you're not interested, you may write here also, nothing happens. Okay, so what all of you see, the first one, construct triangle ABC, given angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 30 degree, and AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Okay, here they given us the measurement of two angles. Okay, AA means two angles and one side, they given us one side. Okay, so using all these measurements we have to construct the triangle, students. Okay, so first we have to draw a baseline. It can how much it is, 5.8. okay, 5.8. okay, it is a 5.8. name this as a AB, and it is a 5.8 centimeter. Now take the protractor, and in A point we have to construct what type, what is the measurement of that angle, 60 degree. Okay na? So keep the protractor properly. 60 degree we have to construct here, students. Okay, 60 degree. So it is a 60 degree, and join both these points. Okay, now it is a 60 degree, and from angle B, what is the measurement of that angle? It is a 30 degree. So it is a 30 degree. So here we have to count from here. Okay, 30 comes here. Okay, so through both these, join both these points. So here, students, we got one new point here. Okay, name that point as a C. Okay, so this is the required construction for the given measurements. So let me solve the next one, students. Third one, examine whether you can construct a triangle DEF such that EF is equal to 7.2 centimeter, angle E is equal to 110 degree, and angle F is equal to 80 degree. Justify your answer. Students, here we have to we have to know one point is that so what is that point? All of you see here, angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle, what it tells that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is how much? It is a 180 degree. Na? So using that we have to solve this one. So there is no construction need for this. So here we have to write only the answer here. Justify your answer. Whether it is using both these, I mean using all these measurements, it is possible for us to construct the triangle or not. They are asking the question for us only, students, here. So see all of you here, by angle sum property, by angle sum property of just a minute, friends. By angle sum property of triangle, it is a symbol of triangle. What happens, see here, consider it is a triangle. Okay, it is a DEF. Okay, it is a DEF. Angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. So it is the angle sum property of a triangle. What it tells, the sum of all the angles of a triangle, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is, it is a 180 degree. Understood? So angle E is how much? Angle E, it is a 110 degree. Okay, angle F, how much it is? Angle F 80 degree. So here we have to find angle D. Okay, is equal to 180 degree. Angle D is equal to 190. Adding both these, we get answer is a 190 degree, and it is a 180 degree. Okay, so sorry, we have to write here plus. Okay, angle D plus 190 is equal to 180 degree. Next, angle D is equal to this one, right, as it is, students. And when you move this along this equation, it becomes minus 190 degree. Okay, Angle D is equal to, here both the numbers have different sign. Here it is a plus 180 and here it is a 190. Here we have to do the subtraction. 190 minus 180, how much comes? It is a 10 degree comes. But for the answer we have to put the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number, it is a 190. It contains minus. So angle D comes here 10 degree. See students, all of you here, any angle it not comes in a negative number. So it comes in a negative number means it is not possible for us to, it is not possible, okay, it is not possible to draw using such type of measurements, So this is the solution for the third problem of exercise 10.4. So this exercise contains total 3 problems, students. I solved 2, and remaining one problem you have to do in home as a homework. Let me solve the next one. See the problems of exercise 10. Students, all of you here, and all these problems based on RHS criterion, that is right hand side. Okay, so here first we have to draw one rough diagram. Okay, and before going to all of you see what it contains. Construct right angle triangle PQR, where angle Q is 90 degree and QR QR is 8 centimeter and PR, how much it is? 10 centimeter. Okay, so using all these we have to construct the triangle now. So first, what is the base? It is 8 centimeter. Okay, first you draw one line containing measuring 8 centimeter. Okay, so name this as a QR. It is 8 centimeter, and next in the Q point we have to construct a 90 degree angle. Okay, so it is 90 degree angle. Join both these points. Okay, so it is a 90 degree angle. Next, students, PR is how much? It is a 10 centimeter. So in the compass you take the measurement of 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter and less, it is a 10 centimeter, and now we have to draw here one arc, but this line and this arc, they not coincide, I mean they not meet each other, so we have to little bit increase this line. Okay, so here they meet both the points, both that point arc and side. So here we got one point, name this point as a P. Now join PR. So how much it is? It is a 10 centimeter. Understood, students? So this is the required construction for the given measurements. Let me solve the next one. Construct an isosceles right angle triangle ABC, where ACB is equal to 90 degree and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. See, first we have to draw one rough diagram here, ABC, and here AC is how much it is? It is a 90 degree, and AC is how much? It is a 6 centimeter. And see, students, it is the isosceles triangle means in isosceles triangles what happens? Two sides are equal. They given us one side. It means this side also it is a 6 centimeter. You may take this one also, but it according to easy method you have to write this one. You have to take this one as a 6 centimeter. So now using all these measurements we have to draw one triangle here, 6 centimeter. It is a 6 centimeter and this is a BC. Okay, and now in the C point we have to construct a 90 degree angle. 90 degree. Okay, join both these points. Okay, and it is a 90 degree, And see students, here AC is how much it is a AC, it is a 6 centimeter. So in the measurement you take a 6 centimeter, take a 6 centimeter, okay, and keep the needle at here, and they not meet each other. So increase this one. Here they meet both each other, okay, and both these, name this point as A, name this point as A, and now A, join A and B, join A and B, okay, and this is 6 centimeter, and it is also 6 centimeter. It is an isosceles triangle because in this triangle both these sides are equal. So this is the required required construction for the given measurements. So students, so this exercise contains total of 3 problems I solved 2, and you have to solve only one in home as a homework. I hope all of you understood all these problems. So from this chapter finished. From the tomorrow I am going to start the new chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.